Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro earbuds, and in this video I will show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So let's start. So first of all, you have to insert your earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert my earbuds like this. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to keep this lid open. Now on your mobile phone you have to open the Bluetooth settings. So I will just scroll down and I will press and hold this Bluetooth icon. So it will open the Bluetooth settings. Now here you can see the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro is connected to my phone. So what I have to do, I have to select this settings icon. So here is the setting icon. I just selected. Once you select this setting icon, here at the bottom you see this option of unpair. Okay, so you just select this unpair option and then it will ask you again if you want to unpair. So just select unpair. So now everything is done from my phone. Now on your charging case with your earbuds inside, at the back side you will see this pairing button. Okay, so here is this pairing button. So you have to press and hold this pairing button for 10 seconds. So I will just press and hold it like this. So I will press and hold, and after 10 seconds you will see this light will blink fast and then it will turn off. Okay, so I will show you. So now here you can see, now it is blink fast and turned off. Now everything is done, and after a few seconds it will start blinking normally. So it means my earbuds are now completely hard reset. Now if you want to connect these earbuds with a new device, you can do it. So same thing, what you have to do is you just have to keep it open like this, then go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth, and then you have to turn on your Bluetooth and it will start scanning. Now what you can do is, here you see it is showing the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro, just select it and then it will start pairing. Okay, so here you can see it is asking me pair with Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. I just select pair and now it will start connecting. So here you can see now it is connected to my Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro earbuds. So guys, this is how you can hard reset your Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro earbuds, and this is how you can also reconnect it with a new device. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.